Ping Identity tutorial for beginners, everything you need to know. Ping Identity is a leading identity management and security solution for enterprises focusing on single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and identity federation. If you're new to Ping Identity, here's a beginner-friendly guide for you to start. So some key features is their single sign-on. Users can access their app with one login. It reduces password fatigue and improves security by centralizing authenticity. They also have multi-factor authentication, so it has two-factor authentication, as well as enhances security by ensuring users are who they say they are. There's also an identity federation, which supports the use of external identity providers, and it's useful for A2B, B2B applications and partner access. It also has adaptive authentication, user management, and self-service. For setting up Ping Identity, you first want to sign up, visit their official website, and then create a Ping account. Then you want to add applications, so log into the admin console, go to Applications tab and select Add Application. Search for the app you want to add and then configure the SSO setting by adding the app's metadata. Then enable multi-factor authentication by going in the admin console, navigate to the authentication, and then MFA. Select the methods you want and then configure the MFA policies, such as which users are required to use MFA or for specific apps. Then set up user roles and groups, so navigate to users and create groups based on the roles, then assign specific permissions to the groups. For complex user setups, use Identity Federation to connect external identity providers. For troubleshooting, you could use login issues, ensure that the SSO and MFA settings are correctly configured, and users are added to the right groups with proper permissions. If this video helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.